Geoff, the 2018 VACC Industry Awards has just opened and there are some new categories. Can you tell us about that?
Yep, David, there's 43 categories in all, and last year was a great event. We're preparing for next year, and two of the new categories, one is around Unsung Heroes and the other one is in the restoration area. The Unsung Hero Award is about the person that's worked in a business that doesn't get a lot of recognition, but it's done some outstanding stuff in a business. Could be a partner, could be the boss of a business, could be the apprentice in a business, but this is the person that isn't recognised, that really has made that business a completely different organisation that really might be. Unsung Hero Award, there's 3 awards in that category, and I reckon they'll be very, very popular. The second area is vehicle restoration. This can be a motorcycle, a car or a commercial vehicle, and this is about body restoration, engine restoration or total vehicle restoration. It's a great award category. We're 8 months out and we've already got 1 application in for this already. Remember, next year is our 100th year celebration. If you want to win an award at the VACC Industry Awards, that's the year to win.